So guys, welcome to the Path to Learn Microsoft Student Ambassador. I'm Hritik Roy, and let's talk about a bit myself. So I'm currently pursuing BTech CSC, and I'm a beta ambassador since January 21. I'm a content writer and I'm from West Bengal, Kolkata. So I've helped few people to get into the program beforehand. And talking about today's agenda, we'll talk about benefit swags, which you get as a student ambassador. So I wanted to check, you can just re-enter the following thing because a lot of people can see the screen. It's a problem on your end. Thanks. And also, I will help you to get the best ways so that you can boost your chance to enter into the program because I've seen a lot of people do some silly mistakes. About the demographics, we have a lot of people from BBA, MBA fields, so they are also welcome because Microsoft is always focused on helping and growing the community. And if you are not into any institution, like if you are a working professional, please leave the following meeting because it's not of any use. So why the event? So the event is trying to focus on building a community which would touch every possible institution in India and go as a blog. Can you mute yourself, Alexi? Yeah, thanks. And then you can learn with your peers. So what is MLSA? So MLSA is Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. So M for Microsoft, L for Learn. So your job is to learn, and the best way to learn is by teaching. Student, like you have to be a student to be in the program, as I told. You can't be a working professional. And ambassador is an exclusive ambassador. For example, in some ambassador programs, you have to promote things, but you don't have to promote things over here. You have to learn and teach people so that you create awareness. Because I believe the best way to learn is to by teaching. Yeah. So benefits. So there are 3 tiers into the program, and you get a lot of benefits. So you get Azure credits. Azure is a cloud computing service by Microsoft. You also get vouchers for the examinations like AZ900. You get a studentambassador.com domain and an email ID from Microsoft, which you can use for official purposes or anything you want to. You get video editing software. You get video subscriptions for Windows 10 and also Office 2019, all this good stuff. And if you get promoted in beta, you get swags, which I will show you into the next slide. And you get money to conduct event and coupon vouchers. Also, you get access to Ambassador Summit, which happens in New Delhi. But this year it wasn't possible because of the lockdown. And the last tier is gold, where you get MVP vouchers, and also you also get opportunities to learn from leaders. And if you are a gold ambassador, you get a referral from Pablo to get into Microsoft. So yeah, it's very supportive community. You can always go and across the ledges. So swags are very cool swags. If you conduct an event after getting to the program, you get swags. So in swags, you get a certificate from Microsoft, a Rubik's Cube, socks, t-shirts, water bottles, stickers, ID card, and a pressure ball, all those good stuff. So yeah, swags are very cool. About the application timeline, so it's a very confusing thing because a lot of people get confused when the application starts and ends. So this will help you in the application timeline. So applications go quarterly. So you can see the green months. So you enter the program at that month. For example, if you apply in November, December, and October, you would get into the program in January. So and if you apply now, so right now we are in the month of April, so you will get into the program in July. So you can apply for the program till May 31st, and June is the application evaluation period. And then you can't apply then at that month, and in July you would get into the program. So nextly, yeah, application process is very simple. You have to get 3 questions, and then you have to add at least 1 video, and you have to it's always eligible to apply for the social links, like you can add your blog links and all those stuff. And if you are in tech or not in tech, it's very allowed to apply the program because you are allowed to learn here and teach the fellow members.
Can you please elaborate about the questions and the video?
Yeah, like the 3 questions, right?
Yes.
I will go into the next slide. Let's wait. So those are the 3 questions. So because I can't help you with the exact answer because Microsoft will bash me then, but I can help you with the tips and I can help you some understanding the question. So the first thing is to read the question very well. So first question is what excites you about technology and what do you want to help other students explore and learn? So it's more about what's your excitement regarding technology, why you want to learn technology, and why you want to create awareness regarding technology and why you want to help another people. So this is the first question. You can understand the following question by these statements only, and try to read the question very well. I can't help you regarding very deep answers regarding that, or else Microsoft would bash me. But that's the following on surface. Second question is, how would you take a technical concept and teach it to a friend or peer that has never heard of it? So you have to spread that you how can you simplify things. Like for example, how can you simplify what is cloud? And all those good stuff. Like for example, there are something like VPN. So what is a VPN? VPN is a reverse proxy thing, but you can't say proxy and all those things to a person who hasn't been in the tech. So you have to simplify that you can route your connection from one network to another network via software. So you have to explain it very simple terms. So you have to demonstrate what you have done before and all those good stuff. Last one is if you're hosting any events at your school, how would you get the students to attend? So you have to show how you are trying to promote the event. So that's the main focus here. So yeah, those are the questions. And right now I will focus on how to write a good application because I've seen a lot of people aren't able to write good applications even if they are capable. So this slide will help you doing that. So yeah, yeah, video is visible. Harsh, thanks. So to write a good application, we have 5 points. So let's go one by one. So first point is show context using past. So like show that you have already helped people and you have experience in doing that. So I've seen a lot of people not saying about how they have helped people in previous times. So use that following thing like how you will help the people by taking an experience from your past. So what are you doing right now to help people? Like if you are creating like helping your people in assignments and all those stuff, add that thing because helping is a good thing to experience. And lastly, show your vision, like what drives you to help another people and shape. And because one of the most important thing we believe here is like your vision shapes your future work. So try doing that. And please use grammar check tools like Google Docs or Grammarly to send your application because I've seen a lot of people do silly spelling mistakes and which is not wait a second, Kunal, which is not a good thing. So please do that and break into paragraphs and provide bullet points. So don't write very concise paragraphs. Write in bullet points because that helps to skim the information very fast. And about the application, Kunal, we have already gone through the following thing. You can apply now and then get into the month of July. So applications are always all year round and it's quarterly based. So next is submit good videos. How to submit good videos. Videos play an essential role as you can have a quick show of your personality and vision to your audience. So you can just be very much formal in the videos and get into the program because that provides you with the most exposure with the, yeah, you can always make videos for the answer. Okay, so you can add one video or three videos, but I have went to three videos. But you can always add one videos for the application. So like there are three questions now. So you can either add one video minimum or three videos. So I try to do like one video and two text-based questions. So for example, I did question one, question two as a text-based following, and question three was fully video. So I will share you the link regarding that afterwards. So yeah, so raw videos do good. Only one video works. Like as I told, I did one, many say do it three, but you can do whatever you feel comfortable. As some drawbacks are there because you need to polish your video very good because that's the most amount of exposure you get. So try to express yourself, cut all the auxiliary noises, and add visuals if possible because visuals are very important, like a bit of animations and showing how you're trying to create impact. I did only one quality video and you can see my video for more context. So I will attach the link in the feedback form of my video. So yeah, try to add animations to your video because that helps to grab more attention. That's very important, I think, because right now a lot of people are applying for the thing and some people provide a lot of shitty videos. So that's not a good thing. You must provide and polish your video very good. Okay. So for non-tickets, so I've seen 42% of you are non-techies here. So how to get into the program? So Microsoft wants you to learn, and everyone is welcomed in the program. You might be in any field, so you can focus on the following points. So you can talk about the impact you have showed during good work, like your past experiences where you are trying to help people. So few of my classmates went into the program and they were not from tech fields. So they went into the program by leveraging the utilization of Microsoft 365 suite. So if you're a non-techie, you can always use the help of Microsoft 365 suite, like how you have helped up people and a lot of people. So you can always use that, and you must always demonstrate your passion to learn and build a community, because that helps you to get into the community, because a lot of like-minded people are here who are engulfed in building a community around themselves. So, and one more thing which sets you apart is if you are doing something good or unique, like if you are creating content for people like blogs and all those things, you can always attach the following things. For tech is add something like you have won a hackathon and all those good stuff, you can always add that things for your demonstration and your links. So going into the next section, links. So you can see into the application process there are a lot of links. So don't add links which you are not active at. For example, I wasn't active at Twitter and Stack Overflow, so I never added link for Twitter and Stack Overflow on my application process. I just only added the link for my video because I have a YouTube channel and my blogs. So if you haven't written any blogs or video, you can write that because it helps your chance to get back into the program and give, and it shows that you always wants to give back to the community, because right now we get 2000 application per month or more than that, I guess 10,000 application per month. I don't know the exact number, I was listening a few days back. So to get your chances high, you need to do something extra, because competition is high right now. Next is pointers. I've seen a lot of people fake about what they have done in their life, so you shouldn't do that, because people understand when you're applying fake things in your application, because it's very clear. I've myself read few paragraphs where it completely looks fake, even if you add a layer of grammar. So yeah, don't write fake paragraphs, because it's just very clear that you're writing fake and you haven't done that things in your life. Questions? Do you have guys any questions regarding the program?
Yeah, I asked that how many minutes the video should be. Is there any limit or?
So actually, I have to check that. Okay, give me a second just. I did around 1 minute and it's like 3 minutes, I guess. So I haven't seen that. Give me a second just. So I did it's 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay. So I have done 1 minute 8 seconds for the video. You can do more or less, but 1 minute sounds a good time for me.
Oh,
Yeah. Give me a second more. Let me confirm with the thing.
Hello,
Yeah,
hello.
please. Please go ahead.
Yeah, there's a language specific. If you're making any video, then it is compulsory talk in English, or any person is talking with his native language, for example, Hindi and all.
For the video, you need to talk in English because it's written there talking English. Yeah. But when you are about to get your swags, you can always talk in any languages you want to, like your local language, because that's acceptable. But while entering the program, you need to talk in English. That's a critical thing. They have explicitly mentioned that you must talk in English. But while you do your event after entering the program, you are allowed to do in any program you want to. So yeah. Kunal is asking regarding the selection rate. So I think the selection rate is around, let me just confirm. Um, Around 10,000 people apply per month, and after 4 months, like 40,000 people, around 500 people get in. So yeah, that's the selection rate, which is about to change. I've seen a lot more people get into the January cohort in comparison to the summer cohorts. So yeah, so it's around 500,000 for 40,000 people. That's the rate. So you can always calculate a percentage from there. Anyone, any more questions?
Hello.
Yeah, please.
Actually, you said that you have to tell that what you have contributed for or how you helped anyone. So I'm a beginner. I am just a first year student. I haven't contributed anything and haven't helped that I can showcase. So what will be your advice?
So it might be a case you haven't helped anyone in technology, but you have helped anyone in like doing mathematics in 10, 11, 12, like helping someone to understand some concept in computer science, helping your group of friends. Have you done that?
Yeah, I have done that.
So just that shows that you are a leader. You try love to help people. So use that as a leverage. Like if you have helped some people to learn some how to print something, then try make the statement like I've helped my few group of people to learn this thing, and then they learned them and those all good stuff.
Okay, thank
So
you.
okay, okay. Mardullah asked me after getting selected, what are the activities we need to complete to achieve alpha badge? So after getting selected, you need to do few learn paths and you then get to alpha. It's very easy. Like it will take a day or two. It's not that hard. And after getting alpha, you need to conduct an event on something, and you can get into the beta. And after getting beta, you get swags after 1 2 months. So yeah, it's very simple. Getting to the program is very hard, and then you can always like go to alpha beta. It's very easy comparatively. Alexi asks, is the selection done globally or region based? So selection, I think, is done region based, but all of the people enter into the program together. So I mean,
Excuse me, sir.
yeah, please.
Uh, Sir, can you please tell how much time we have to invest in if we go into this program?
Okay, so it's a very unique program. You don't have to invest any extra time. So, okay, for example, I don't invest a lot of time. So, if you want to learn and use the certification vouchers you get, you need to learn technologies regarding Microsoft. But that's completely voluntarily. If you want to learn, you want to learn. If you don't want to learn, it's okay with them. So when you enter, you have a year of time to complete one learn path. So it takes 30 minutes. And then if you want swags, then you have to conduct one event, which is 1 hour. So yeah, it's very simple and easy. You don't have to invest like 3 hours per month even. And one of the thing you have to do is like there are regional calls for a hour per month. You have to come there and see the regional calls, or you can see the recordings even. So it's just there to build the community. After you enter into the program, you will enjoy every phase of that because there are a lot of activities you can learn how to create a good resume by the Microsoft recruiters and all those stuff. So you would enjoy every aspect of that. So I think you won't need to invest 10 hours, more than 10 hours per month. So it's very less time consuming. Regional in the sense state-wise or country-wise. So actually there is no state-wise thing over here. There is a Asia Pacific region. There is a so there are big regions in the yeah. So I guess that's not. Can you reiterate your question? Like I was unable to understand, Bandar. So where to apply? Let me send you the link. A quick second. Student ambassador. Where to apply? Three questions need to be answered in the video and an essay. So the three
Hello.
questions can, yeah, please.
Hello.
Yeah, please. Prem Kumar.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Please continue.
Yes. Actually, you told there is you have to invest. Firstly, you told we have to invest less than 3 hours. Then you told we have to invest 10 hours. Actually, you are confused or you are trying to confuse us.
So listen, you have to, it's just dependent upon how much you want to grow. Firstly, if you want to grow into the program, there are a lot of events which are taken by Microsoft recruiters and all those stuff. So if you want to see all those, then it's always allowed, and you have to, the total event time consumes in like 10 hours. Like there are 3 4 events per month. And if you want to just stay into the program without any extra benefits, then you have to invest 1 hour at max. So I don't think 10 hours is a lot. Like it's around less than 2.5 hours per week. So yeah, the three questions need to be answered
Second
in.
question is it helpful in our means it is helpful in our career in such as if we are working in an organization, is it useful?
I think it's useful for me because it shows that you are a leader and you want to help community building. So there are a lot of roles called developer evangelism and developer advocates. So you can always show your interest regarding that because you have been experiencing building a community.
No, I'm actually agreed with your answer, but as I am a social activist, as I am a leader on National Institute, and as a leader in NSS
Hmm.
in the institution level, and I have also served as a Corona warrior in 2020. As
Hmm.
I am always ready to help the people around us and surrounding with anything I can help. So my question exactly, you didn't get my question. Is it helpful in the way we will use in our organization in which we will be going to work?
Okay,
Basically,
so
basically in the resume.
Basically, he
In a
want to say in placement, right?
Yeah, exactly.
so what
Yeah,
companies
I
are you
get your question.
targeting to place in a placement? Like, so okay, so in placement it's always appreciated that you have doing some extracurricular activities, and it's more fruitful than your communities in your college to do and be into the program, I guess so. So I think it would be helpful because it has helped me to jump into and get to scholarships, the Microsoft Student Ambassador program. So yeah, I think it would be helpful.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, could you share some examples of videos we have to post?
Yeah, okay, so I will send you the feedback link, and in that, my video is there. So you can get the following thing. Let me answer Saloni's question real quick. So Saloni is asking the three questions need to be answered in video or an essay. So there are three questions, and you can answer all of the three questions in video or only one question in video or the two questions. So minimum one video is required. Yeah. And when I will send you the feedback link, you can always get the video over there. Okay, let me send you the feedback link real quick. Yeah. So yeah, okay, you can just go into the following thing and you can get my link for the video applications, and please help me with the feedback because it would help me to create more videos and improve the quality of the seminar. And if you have any more questions, please shoot. You can also scan the QR code.
It will help us for the internship for Microsoft.
So directly not, but if you have a gold ambassador, so which is becoming a gold ambassador is very hard. So you can get a referral. And also there is a competition called support engineer competition where you can get, which is exclusive for MLSA members, where you can get opportunity to join as a customer support intern at Microsoft. So that happens per year, and Hemantika Mitra went into the following program and become a Microsoft intern last year. Sorry, not last year, this year only, in January around. Yeah. So that happens once a year and competition is tough. So if you can do that thing, then you can always become an intern at Microsoft, customer support intern. And if you are a gold ambassador, you have opportunity to get a referral, which you can use to get into the Microsoft ecosystem. Any more questions?
Okay, thanks.
No issues. So by the way, please help me by filling the feedback. Can you send me out to chat? Yeah, Harsh, okay, you just click onto the feedback link and you can see my link of the YouTube channel there. It's there, the first link. The prerequisites in getting into the program are like you need to be above 16 years and yeah, you need to show demonstrated interest in technology. So yeah, so what are the necessary things? One needs to be at gold. So currently I am a beta ambassador and you need to be into the program 1 year to become a gold, and I am into the program for only 3 months, so I am not eligible to answer that question right now. When I would become a gold, if possibly, I can help you with that answer. Yeah, Khushi.
You can.
And yeah, please go and help me with the feedback, and feel free to follow me on GitHub for more information and more projects. Thanks everyone. Okay, I'm here for a few more minutes. If you have any questions, please shoot. Yeah, I will share the PPT. I will share the PPT
If
in the.
any person applied today, then when was the result come of the selection process of micro student ambassador?
Okay, let me tell you real quick. So if you apply in the month of April, the results will come in July.
Okay. If I don't selected in the month of when I was applying in April and I'm not selected in the month of April July, then again if I apply in August, then the result will come
Yeah,
in November, right?
it would come on October, and you can apply.
Okay.
So
There is
you can
no cooling
apply.
time,
No, there's no cooling
right?
time as such as now.
That's great.
Yeah.
Uh,
Thank you so much, and please help me with the feedback because that would help me to create more sessions for you all. And
Hello.
thanks for joining. Yeah, please, Avinav.
We have to address someone in the while making the video, or directly we can start with our content. What we want to say.
You can do both either ways. So you can just see my video for the
Well,
example because I told hi Microsoft, this is Hritik Roy and those all things. So you can just see my video. I've attached the video link in the chat. You can just click and see the video.
yes. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Feel free to follow me on GitHub for more content. Have a nice day. Thanks for coming in. I'm here for a few more minutes. If you have any questions, please ask.
Hello.
Yeah,
If I become a MLSA, then which kind of workshop should I have to create?
like to get promoted to beta.
Yeah.
So you must create a workshop on Microsoft technologies like Azure, Power, Office 365, all those stuff. You need to create something regarding Microsoft technologies. So where would you get the content? So we have Microsoft Learn path over here where you can always get the content, and you can conduct seminars or webinars on that.
And how can I learn those technologies?
So you can always follow the Microsoft Learn path, which like, okay, let me send you the link. Just Google Microsoft Learn, you can get the following thing. Yeah. So there are good learn paths which you can follow and learn new things, where after which you can conduct seminars on that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.